Hi everyone, welcome back to Paper Crafting with Paul, which is my YouTube channel, but shameless plug here. I've also got a Facebook group called Paper Crafting with Paul. So if you're not a member there yet, please just type Paper Crafting with Paul into the search engine or follow the link in the description below. It's a lovely group full of inspiration and people are sharing their makes following my tutorials. So head over there for you to see what others have been making as well. But what have I got to show you today? Well, it's a little walkthrough of a little Graphic 45 project, which you won't be surprised about. Yeah, I'm really chuffed to be their brand ambassador for this year. And this is actually a bonus project. It's not one of my assignments. I did do a up-leveling of an Annette Green travel folio using Life's a Bowl of Cherries. So I had the papers out and left over. So this was an idea I had in my mind. And when I got to choose my products to work with, some of you may have known that I do love my die cuttings. Where I began, especially with my channel, was with die cuts. And I saw the folder and sentiment dies. And an idea for this jumped into my head straight away. And this is what I've come up with. So this album is my folder album because the pages have been made using the die cut of this. So as I said, I've used Life's a Bowl of Cherries. I had one sheet of this 8x8 paper left, so I had to use it. You can see some glossy accents as well, highlighting all the cherries. So through every place I saw cherries and the buttons down here, I added some glossy accents and then just use some of the red floral paper on the back. So you're ready to see why it's the folder album? So when you open it up, we've got some signature pages made using this die. So I'll show you in the tutorial video how I decorated it and some paper saving ideas as well. But let's start on the inside covers. So I had to use this, this is stunning. So this has come from the regular pad. Then the pages have been decorating using the patterns and solids. So I think this came from the 8x8 one because the images are smaller than what I remember. I used this technique, which I used in the travel folio tutorial from Annette Green, to create the pocket with this little notch. So that's an idea that's come from my other G45 project. And then what I've done is taken two die cuts of this folio or the folder and tape them together so that you get each signature is 3 pages. And this is a 3x4 photo mat. So you can see you've got room for 3x4 photos. And how lovely are the patterns and solids. These were a pleasure to work with, bright reds. And when you see the other colours come in, they really are stunning. So each signature, as I said, is 3 pages, but 6 sides. But also in the center, you can open up and you can fit some more photo mats and things, or ephemera pieces, or whatever you want, receipts, documents, you can put into here. So you can flip it over. Then we go back to the red. Then we go into the lovely blues. Back to the red. And I did pattern piece them all. Then onto some more greens. Back to the reds. And then this aqua blue. And you can see when you lift up the pocket, we've got a pattern repeat there as well, or pattern matching. And then on the back, we've gone symmetrical with our covers. So yeah, it's a small little project, perfect for making once you've done a bigger album, you've got some sheets left over, because I think I used 3 sheets to cover the pages. If you got 12 by 12, you'll be able to get most of the cover done as well, if you just make that pocket a little bit smaller. But yeah, a perfect project to make using some leftover pieces, or actually whatever papers you want. If this is the first project to make with your pad, go for it. I'm really, really pleased with how that turned out. So that's my bonus project for Life's a Bowl of Cherries after doing my folio, travel folio. So I hope you liked it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and hope you're looking forward to the tutorial. Remember to join my Facebook group, Paper Crafting Paul, link in the description below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because it really does mean a lot. And please write some comments. I do love to read what you think of the projects, or if you've been inspired by them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon.